In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design seamless patterns in Affinity Designer. We'll build a simple tile, export it, and then use it as a repeating fill so your design flows endlessly without visible seams. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. I like working on a square canvas because squares repeat cleanly in all directions, so choose a comfortable size that gives you room to design. A square setup makes it easier to visualize how the edges will meet when the pattern repeats. Next, add an emoji to your canvas. You can use any simple icon or emoji you enjoy. Bold shapes and clear silhouettes tend to look best when repeated. Place it at a size that feels balanced within the tile, and keep an eye on negative space so the pattern doesn't feel crowded or too sparse once it repeats. Now position your design so parts of it touch the edges of the canvas. This is the key to making the pattern seamless. Elements that meet the right edge will continue from the left edge when the image tiles, and the same goes for the top and bottom. Even just nudging the artwork so it kisses the sides helps create a continuous flow across repeats. When you're happy with the look, head to the top right of the interface and choose Export. For the format, pick PNG. PNG preserves crisp edges and supports transparency, which is great if you want the background to show through later. Then click Export to save your tile. Keep track of where you save it so it's easy to find in the next step. Create a new blank document in Affinity Designer. This will be your preview space to see the tile repeat over a larger area, which makes it easier to confirm that the edges connect without gaps. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that covers the entire canvas. This rectangle will hold your repeating fill. Switch to the fill tool. At the top, change the type to bitmap, which tells Affinity Designer you want to fill the shape with an image that repeats. When prompted, select the tile you just exported and click Open. Your rectangle now fills with your design as a seamless bitmap pattern. Because the artwork touched the edges of the tile, those edges match perfectly as it repeats across the shape. Zoom in and out to appreciate the continuous flow, and you're done. That's the entire workflow for creating a seamless pattern in Affinity Designer using a simple emoji tile.